Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm actually not doing so well. I'm like very sick. I'm borderline like losing my shit. But that's neither here nor there, guys. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful wig that I have installed. If you guys want to know more details about today's install, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is Wiggins Hair. I have worked with them in the past, but this wig, you guys, is something special. Today I have installed a 24-inch 5x5 closure wig. This is in the color P4613. Look at her, you guys, so pretty. These Shein, the clothes from Shein, like, this is a cute fit and all, right? Cute, but like they need to make the boobie part bigger. Like, come on. If this is a size large, this also needs to be a size large. Anyways, back to the hair review. I just tried popular trending wig glue that I saw on TikTok. Lately I've been buying everything from TikTok and it didn't work out for me. I didn't like it. The way it said to install it, I did that and it was just not working like it said it would. So I took it off. And I was gonna include it in the video, but because, you know, it's a black business, I don't want to reflect poorly on her business, on the brand. So maybe I just didn't have good luck with the install. Maybe I did something wrong, I don't know. So I'm not going to share what that product was because I'm not trying to like screw anybody's coin up, basically. So moving on, I'm just gonna go back to my Ebon Wonderlace spray.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby.
Okay, so I'm gonna curl the baby hairs and then go from there. I don't know about the baby hairs. We might have to change them, you guys. But for now, we're gonna see what it looks like. I don't know about the baby hairs. I tried to be like adventurous, but it's too much here. Yeah, that's more like me. There's some girls that can pull off that much baby hair. Just not me. Because I'm not wearing a ball cap underneath, you can't really see the parting. So we're definitely gonna go in with some powder and add some part to the parting. Go in one more time. Some hairspray. Okay, so the last thing we gotta do is straighten her, and then we'll be good to go, you guys. This is in 180% density, and she is 24 inches and even longer than that, you guys. Look at her. Oh my goodness. Am I living my best life? You already know it. This wig was a pretty simple install. I ultimately decided to do my glueless method. I'm so congested. Can you guys hear it? So I decided to use my Wonder Lace spray by Eben, and that's what we did. Now, I didn't put on a ball cap under this wig, so you couldn't really see the part, but this parting space is super deep, you guys. It goes from here all the way here, really deep, 5-inch. And the wig, 24 inch, okay, 24 inch might be here. They gave me like this much extra, so I would say this is more like 28 or 30 inch. I don't know, it's giving really, really long, and I am here for it. What I really like about this unit is the highlights. Like, now I prefer my highlights to be darker, but this color combination is very pretty. It is kind of yellow. It is like a true 613 yellow. When I get that 613 color, I usually like to tone it out. I haven't done anything to this wig. This is a fresh out of the box install, so I haven't touched it. I just put it on and straightened her. I really do like how it looks. I think it's really pretty. It's different. It's not something that I would typically go for, like with this shade of brown, but I like it. I have done wigs similar to this in the past, I think like sometime last year. So this year I haven't really done a wig with this brown tone and this really like ashy chunky highlights, so I'm not mad at it. I think it's really pretty. The highlights are placed really nicely on the wig. For a highlighted wig, it doesn't feel like dry or frizzy, so that's really nice. It did get pretty straight. I definitely think you guys should check them out if this is something that you guys might be into. I'm gonna leave all the information to Wiggins hair in the description box. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting all of my videos, all of my MVPs. You guys mean so much to me. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.